friends, something strange is happening deep beneath the ocean. In early 2023, a fisherman in Japan caught a bizarre snake-like creature nearly 6 meters long. It was an oarfish, a deep-sea species that usually lives 1,000 meters below the surface. Now here's the weird part. Oarfish sightings are linked to earthquakes in Japanese folklore. Before the massive 2011 quake, 20 oarfish washed ashore. But today, these sightings are increasing, not just in Japan, but globally. In fact, 50 oarfish were found in 1 year. And it's not just oarfish. Deep-sea creatures are rising to the surface, creatures we're not supposed to see. From the glowing giant phantom jellyfish to brain-shaped lumpfish, and even terrifying anglerfish. These animals are meant to live in the cold, dark depths of the ocean. So why are they suddenly appearing near the surface? Let's dive in. The ocean is Earth's final frontier. It covers 71% of our planet, but we have only explored 5% of it. As you go deeper, sunlight fades. At around 200 meters, you reach the twilight zone where light barely penetrates. Strange life thrives here. The strawberry squid has one big eye to spot predators above, and one small eye to see glowing prey below. The barrel-eye fish has a transparent head with eyes that rotate, and the comb jelly glows red in the dark, which is nearly invisible in deep-sea conditions. Below 1,000 meters lies the midnight zone, total darkness, freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure. Creatures here, like the anglerfish, use glowing lures to trap prey. The vampire squid floats silently, feeding on falling particles called marine snow. Even deeper in the abyssal zone, the Dumbo octopus drifts like a ghost. And in the deepest Hadal zone, alien-like species exist that scientists barely understand. So what's driving these mysterious beings to the surface? It has to do with something called DL vertical migration, the world's largest animal migration. Every night, deep-sea creatures swim upward to feed, then sink back down before dawn. But this rhythm is breaking. Climate change is heating the oceans, especially the surface. Warm water stays above, and cold, oxygen-rich water stays trapped below. This creates oxygen shortages in deep zones. Without enough oxygen, deep-sea animals are forced to rise into warmer, more dangerous waters where they don't belong. Some die from the pressure change, others are eaten, and many are simply unable to survive near the surface. That's why we're seeing more oarfish, jellyfish, and anglerfish up top. They're not just visiting, they're escaping. And there's a bigger problem. These deep-sea creatures aren't just cool, they're crucial. The deep ocean stores massive amounts of carbon. If these ecosystems collapse, we risk accelerating climate change even further. Some scientists warn that even a 1°C rise in deep-sea temperatures could trigger mass extinction of deep-sea life. So when these strange creatures rise from the depths, they're not just giving us a rare glimpse, they're sending us a warning.